NASA and private companies are preparing a mission that could redefine how we build and maintain infrastructure in space. The mission is called Fly Foundational Robotics, or FFR. Its goal is to demonstrate autonomous robotic manipulation in low Earth orbit. These robots will independently maintain, assemble, and manipulate objects in space, with minimal human intervention. Motiv Space Systems and PickNik Robotics have signed a contract to develop key software components for the mission. FFR supports NASA's broader ISAM goals: in-space servicing, assembly, and manufacturing. This initiative aims to move beyond launching fully built spacecraft from Earth and instead enable construction and maintenance directly in orbit. Motiv will develop a system capable of both autonomous operation and Earth-controlled manipulation in low Earth orbit. This means robots will perform tasks independently but can also be remotely supervised or directed from the ground when necessary. PickNik Robotics will provide motion control software based on its MOVEit Pro platform. This system will manage mission planning, simulation, and execution of robotic arm movements, taking into account the unique constraints of spaceflight, including microgravity and communication delays. The mission will rely on Space ROS, a space-adapted version of the robot operating system. This ensures reliability, modularity, and compatibility with space-grade hardware. PickNik will also support integration between Motiv and Astro Digital, an orbital platform provider. The company will supply runtime configurations optimized for the spacecraft's computing environment, as well as a ground operator terminal for planning, testing, and verification before launch. A major part of preparation involves digital twins, advanced simulations that model robotic behavior in orbit before the mission even begins. This reduces risk and increases mission reliability. The partners will collaborate on long-term operational tools, system monitoring interfaces, and communication strategies designed to handle intermittent connectivity in orbit. Both companies bring significant space heritage. Last year, PickNik worked with the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency on the Porters Initiative, demonstrating a complex multi-armed robotic system capable of manipulation tasks in microgravity aboard the ISS. In 2022, Motiv partnered with NASA to develop Cold Arm, a robotic arm designed to operate on the Moon, in temperatures as low as -173 degrees Celsius without internal heating. NASA expects the FFR mission to generate critical expertise and data that will shape future robotic missions, from satellite servicing to orbital construction and deep space infrastructure. The era of autonomous space robotics is beginning. If you're excited about the future of space technology, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on NASA, robotics, and next-generation innovation.